You want Michael Jackson to be on. Come on, let's go tell Uncle Justin to play it. Are you going to be calm now? Come on, let's go. Justin, you have to put on Michael Jackson for a minute.
This is Michael Jackson.
There you go. Are you happy now?
Thriller.
It's the one you like, the scary one. You're tired now, ain't you?
Are you gonna dance to it?
When the music starts, she will. Remember? You gonna do the zombie? Show him how you do it.
Show Danny. Come right here to Danny. Show me.
Put your arms up like the zombie, like I showed you. There you go. Do you remember that thing I showed you how to do, the slide? Do it. That's right. Now do it. Do it. You ready?